how I soften a hard edge. Okay, so let's take for example with the barn owl tutorial, which hopefully you're working on at the moment. You've got the drawing on, you've got the masking fluid on, you've done the background's dry, you've taken the masking fluid off, and then you end up with a hard edge. Okay, very often. Now, the way I would soften an edge, before I do anything else very often, I'll do this. I'll add a layer of water just away from the edge. So let's just say here, I'm going to put a layer of water there. As you can see, I've been using the same piece of test paper for other kind of advice at the moment. So this is away from this edge, just a little bit further away. Okay, so it's a layer of water. And then in small circle motions, I will then tickle the edge of this colour. Some colours are more staining than others, you'll find, just into that wet line I've just created. And what will happen, just keep working it slowly, don't press too hard, otherwise you'll end up damaging the paper. Just go over the top a little bit more. And as you can see, that's softened that corner down somewhat. You don't normally get rid of all of that because it depends on the paint. As I say, some paint does stain more than others. So again, I'll do it one more time. Okay, so I'll do it with this red paint here, Ready Brown. This is for a horse I'm currently working on as a commission. So a line of water, I won't just put some dirty water there, but never mind. And then little circle motions, just the tip of the brush to the edge of the paint, that's all I'm doing. And little tiny circles, just to soften that edge. And sometimes just bring the water over a little bit, just so it's got somewhere to blend to. And by doing that, little circles, as I say, you don't normally get rid of all of it. Sometimes you might, because it depends on the paint. And then you get a nice kind of soft edge. Okay, so that's how I would kind of soften a hard edge, especially when you put a background on, you're just taking the masking fluid off. Because very often you'll find a very kind of dark line around where the masking fluid's been. Okay, hope that helps. So again, I'll see you again soon with more tips, tricks and video tutorials. Thank you for being on my Patreon site. Bye bye now.